welcome to another Decorate With Me video. My name is Sonja and today we are decorating some tiered trays. So I have my 2-tier tray that I typically have in the kitchen and my 3-tier tray. I also have another one, but I usually don't decorate that one until I'm finished with these two and see what I have left over, because that one's a little bit finicky to decorate. So here are some of the items that I have gathered that I would like some of them to be in on these. I pretty much play with it until I kind of reach the decor point that I like. So I have some fillers, I have some of these beads, and then I have these containers that I use all the time on and off. They are herb containers. I thrifted these a while back. I have tons of lemons because that it will be the main theme for these. I always decorate my tier trays for the summer in the lemon theme. I will link the video in the eye in the sky here from my other channel when I used to do decorating on that channel, how I decorated last year and maybe even the year before, but I can't remember if I decorated them the year before. But anyways, any other summer tier tray videos that I have, I will link them up so you can check those out as well. So then I have a couple of these greeneries and like ones that I can make my own. There's a little summery wreath. Then I just have flowers to use as fillers as well. Then I have a couple DIYs that I've made to go along with it. So like I said, I'm just going to play around until I reach the point that I like. So I'd like to mention that this video is part of a collaboration that I'm hosting, and I have invited some friends to join me, so there will be a playlist for you to check out after you are finished watching my video. So let's get started. So I'm starting with the big tray first, obviously, and I'm going to give it some cleaning. I typically decorate this and it usually does not get dusted until next time I redecorate, because it's just too much stuff to take off and move off. I do wipe the top little hook and then maybe the lips of the trays, but that's it. And then I start just playing around and seeing what I want where and which flowers I want to fill where. Obviously I'm going with yellow, and lemons are my main focal point here. So I want to add things that are relatable to lemons but not overtaking the lemons themselves. This definitely is one of my favorite things to decorate for any seasons. I absolutely love them, and I can't wait to add more tier trays to my collection. I love these little honey books. I have DIY this over on my DIY channel, which is linked in the description box if you want to check out these DIYs or any other ones that I was making for the summer decor. I was struggling with the height here, so I ended up adding, trying out different things until I reached the height that I wanted. I didn't want it to stick out too much, but I wanted it to stick out a little bit more. Once I have all the big pieces in and where I want them, I start filling in with fillers. And fillers can be lots of different things. It can be just flowers, it can be some greenery, it can be moss balls, really anything that just kind of fills that spot. I am using a lot of florals, a lot of greenery, as well as the lemons as my fillers. Don't be afraid to take your flowers apart and use little pieces from your florals as fillers as well. And I am turning this pear around so it looks like a lemon instead of a pear. I love the way this turned out. I love how bright and cheerful it is, and I love combining lemons with lots of greenery. I just think it looks so good. As you can see, I used tons of different textures and different colors of the greenery, as well as the lemons and all the other pieces, from concrete to wood to ceramic. Now moving on to my second tray, and again I give it a good cleaning. I keep this tray in a kitchen, on a counter in a corner, and it always adds so much color to that spot. My kitchen is fairly dark, and I find it's hard to add color to it without cluttering the space. But I love decorating it for every season and using it in the kitchen. I'm taking apart this plant and just taking these yellow tops off because I think they kind of look like little lemons that are just starting to bloom. I almost always use my creamer and a scoop here. I just think it fits on this tray perfectly, and I can add different things inside of the creamer. And the new thing that I started using in the last 2 times I've decorated are my little pots that my friend Sandra from the Schwoman's Nest had gave them to me. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, I would love it if you considered subscribing. I do tons of home decor here, as well as cleaning and organizing. Make sure if you do press that subscribe button, not to forget to press the notification bell so you get notified when these videos become live. Some of the greenery that I was using in here, I feel that resembles almost like herbs. Like the one in the creamer kind of looks like thyme. So I like using these in this on this tray because, like I said, it goes in the kitchen, and I think it's very fitting. Now that everything is in place, I'm just going to start filling with fillers. and I am using just little branches of greenery as fillers for this one, as well as the lemons. Again, I think this tray looks so bright and so cheerful, and it's gonna look brighten up the corner in my kitchen just perfectly. Well, I hope you have enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and don't forget to press that subscribe button. And if you're returning, thank you so much for your continuing support. And make sure you guys head on over to the playlist for even more tier tray ideas. There's going to be tons. They might not all be lemon. They might not be any lemon, but that's the nice thing about having a playlist where you will get tons of different ideas. So until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.